Hi, my name is Carmela and today we are making kimchi. This is not my first time making kimchi and I already prepared some ingredients. So this is kimchi sauce. We will try it first. So good. Spicy but very good. And another thing, I prepared Chinese cabbage and I cut it and then I washed it and it's now prepared to start to make kimchi. So we will now mix this. You see how it's very creamy, spicy, nice. Now we will put some and try to mix it piece by piece with our hands. It sounds crispy. You have to use your gloves because it can burn your skin. It can hurt if you have some cuttings or something. Put some more. It's best to put all. Here how it's crispy, fresh. I have to put the sauce on every piece so it doesn't stay like this. My cat had an accident. Sorry for that. Deep. And when we mix everything, we can try it. Okay, I think we are ready to try it. It's okay. Very good. Perfect. Want to try? Some people like to eat it week after until it's a bit fermented, but you can eat it at the moment when you make it. Let's have a toast to our second kimchi. Živjeli! Hi!